guys, Karina Macarena here, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. And today I am going to be showing you how to make stitch markers / progress keepers. So if you don't know what a stitch marker is, this is what they look like from the stores. There's also different ones, but this is the only one I have available to show you, and this is my last stitch marker. And this is why I'm making this video, because I needed some, and I didn't want to go to the store and buy stitch markers. So these are what I'm going to be showing you how to make. So they are cute. They have little charms on them, and little bead, and then they have the little jump ring and the lobster clasp that opens up. So I crochet and I knit, and when I'm knitting I like to put my needles through this hole and just let the lobster clasp hang down like this. And then when I'm crocheting, I like to hook this onto my stitches to keep, where I'm starting and ending and whatever else I need it for. So that is what I use, how I use them. And you can leave this lobster clasp off and just use a jump ring, or do whatever you feel necessary to make your stitch markers and make them how you want them. So I'm also going to show you what I use now to keep my stitch markers intact. And actually I made some of these with Shrinky Dinks, and they're okay. They work, it's just different. They're weird. So actually I got, this is a binder clip thing. I don't know how to, I think I have the packaging somewhere. Let me see if I can find it. Well, I seem to misplaced it, but they were binder rings, and they all were just the metal part, and they close up here at the top, like, I can get it to close. There we go. And then they just open up. And I got, I think it was 6 of them for $1 at the dollar store. And I actually put my stitch markers on here. I also put my row counter and my keys, and I hang it off of my crocheted hibiscus market bag. So this works really good. It hasn't come off, and I'm glad that my husband mistakenly got these for me at the dollar store. So this is something good to invest in if you lose your stitch markers like I do, and your row counter and whatever else, because I'm forever losing my stuff. So now I can't, because I have this, and it's great. And as soon as I get all these stitch markers done, I'm probably going to need 2, because I have a lot of charms. I actually, there was a sale at Walmart. There was these ankle and toe rings. They were originally like $5, and they were on sale for $1.08. It was $1 plus tax, which is 8 cents. And I got 7 of them, and in total I think I got like 70 some charms off of those. I just took it apart, and now I'm gonna repurpose them. So I have a whole bunch of charms and beads and stuff. I actually, I like to go to Goodwill and find beads and charms and stuff there. It's just fun. Something I like to do. Go in there and see stuff that people got rid of, and I'm like, why? You can use this. I guess it's just my way of thinking of things. I don't know. Alright, so a few things that you're going to need for making these stitch marker progress keepers. These little tassels, they get me. They're so cute. And I actually have a minier version of this tassel. It's not the same color, but they're still so cute. It's like a baby tassel. I had to show you it. It's just cute. They're so adorable. Okay. So some things that you're going to need to make these, ooh, excuse me, my belly is going gurgle. So, some super glue. You might need tweezers. You might need pliers. These are needle nose, and so are these. I have a thin and a thick pair. Jump rings and whatever color you want. You can get these probably anywhere. I don't know. Walmart sells these along with Michael's and I'm sure Hobby Lobby and all those places. You can probably order them online. You can order almost anything online these days. Some lobster clasps, whatever color you decide. And beads, just whatever beads you want to put on. Scissors you might need. I don't know why you might, but okay. So, what I would recommend doing is I would recommend getting your charm and getting your bead out and your clasp and knowing what jump ring and clasp you want to use along with the charm. So I have a bunch of gold and silver ones, so I just put the gold with the gold and the silver with the silver and color code it, and then I pick out whatever bead I like to go with it. If you have bigger jump rings, you can put more beads on it, or if you want more beads or however you want to do it, it's totally up to you, but I'm just going to show you what I'm doing. So I have a jump ring here, and let's make sure I can get zoomed in and it will focus. Hopefully it will focus, not on them. Okay, so you have your jump ring, and you know there's an opening at the top here, and what we're going to do is we're just going to gently pull it open. And the first thing I stick on always is the charm. So I put the charm on, and I put it down in the middle. The next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take my lobster clasp, and I'm going to put the lobster clasp on as well. There we go. And then the last thing that I do is I put a bead on. So we've got the charm and the lobster clasp on, and now we're going to go ahead and we're going to put the bead or beads or whatever you chose on. And if I can get it to go on, it's being a little stinker. I can't find the hole. There we are. Oh, nope. Doesn't want to work. Oh my goodness. Okay. Let's try it this way. Oh my goodness, I have butterfingers this morning. And I dropped my bead on the floor. The struggle is real, guys. The struggle is real. Okay, let me grab the same colored bead. I tell you, the struggle is definitely real this morning. I ain't had enough coffee. Alright, let's try this again. Forget the tweezers. I'm going to go in again. Oh my goodness, what is going on with this bead? You know, I have my eyebrow pierced, and I feel like I'm trying to put the ball in the end of my eyebrow ring, because this is what I do every time. I struggle with it like this. Okay, so now that we've got that on, we've got our charm, our lobster clasp, and our bead. We are going to take our pliers, or your fingers if you're strong, but I'm not, and I can't ever get them to close. I can open them, but I can't close them. So, we're going to take our pliers, and as soon as this focuses, focus, Thank you. And we're going to just close that jump ring up as best as we can. So after you do that, what we're going to do is we're going to get the super glue out. I'm so sorry about my phone and its focusing problems. So you can see that here is the top of where the two ends are closed as best as I can get it. Oh, tweezers, don't fail me. And what we're going to do is we're going to put a little bit of super glue on those two ends, and we're going to slide the bead on top of that so it looks like seamless. So, you know, when you're doing your crochet and knitting and you have seamless things and you're like, yes, seamless. No sewing. No sewing. I hate weaving in ends. That's horrible. Let's see if my super glue is going to function today. And it is not, so bear with me a second. Alright, let's try that again. Super glue. Little dab. Ooh, look at that come out. And we're just going to be careful not to get it on our fingers, which you probably will anyways because I'm never careful enough and I always get glue on me. I think you can get it off with nail polish remover. I don't know. But if you're under the age of 18, excuse me, under the age of like, I'd say, I don't know, 14 maybe, I'd have a parent help with this for sure. It can be dangerous when you're using these tools. I'm not kidding. So here we are. We're going to let this dry just a little bit, but it should be secured enough to where it isn't going to move. And this is what they look like. They're cute, aren't they? Oh, look at the little tassel. I can't get over the tassels. Oh, goodness. Alright, so there is a pink one. And I actually have a bunch of those ones done, so hold on. Oh, look at all the tassels. Aren't they cute? I didn't think I was going to like them, but I actually really like the tassel ones. So I made some tassels, and I've got this one. This one's cute. I love the unicorn. It's so pretty. I have a bunch of beach-themed charms. I'm going to be doing them too. I also have like a little birdie charm, and I have a bunch of different charms that I have to put on the stitch markers. Well, make into stitch markers. So that is it for that. I hope that you were able to see what I was doing. I mean, it's pretty simple actually. It's just, you know, the lobster clasp and the jump ring and a bead and a charm. Just opening it and putting all the things on, closing it, super glue, and then putting a bead where the ends are. So anyways, I hope you liked this tutorial. If you have any questions, comment down below. And don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell so you know when I upload. And anyways, guys, thank you for watching. Have a good day. Bye.